Tenore kod weche mag arita kwe. Jatend migawo mar arita kwe Kithure Kindiki koro singo ni piny owacho biro nywando pach oganda ewi kaka ibiro ber bad migawo mar Obila. Kindiki olero ni lokruok e bad migawo mar Obila omiyo Obila biro tiyo malong'o ka osingo ni Obila ok bi ti godo e yore mag siasa. Kindiki ne osingo ni bad migawo mar Obila koro ikore mar tego weche mag arita kwe e gwenge ma pacho ka.
This facility, we will not allow any attempt to try and ask the police to perform political functions, including political functions of the governing party. We will not allow. I spoke about the bandits yesterday. I therefore don't want to repeat about it today. As I said, the less I speak, the better. And you see, maybe this is the only second time I'm speaking from Nairobi, because you see the bandits are not in Harambee House, they are not in Embakasi. We will go where they are, because we cannot have a country, as I said yesterday, we cannot have an independent country, 60 years plus, where a section of the country is under the mercy of criminals. So we are going where those bandits are, and they have challenged us.